Hi everybody. Quick video to talk to you today about the dangers of a paleo diet and paleo lifestyle. I've been paleo now for about 4 months. It's been great. No more bloated belly. I've lost 16 pounds and I don't have any cravings. I'm not dependent upon food to satisfy me. I rarely ever think about food and literally go 16 hours at a time without eating. But today I decided that it is a dangerous lifestyle, and I'll show you why. I was slicing some sweet potatoes today to make some sweet potato chips as a kind of a treat, and I sliced off about a quarter of an inch of my thumb. So I've glued it back on with new skin, and we'll have to see what happens, but I don't think most of it is going to make it. But anyway, so as you can tell, I'm joking about the paleo lifestyle. It's fantastic. I love it. Can't believe I hadn't been eating like this for my whole life, but I thought it'd be a great opportunity to kind of joke around about how it's dangerous. Talk to you all later. Bye.